we're going to build the first giant AI supercomputer here for the AI infrastructure and the AI ecosystem of Taiwan. Thank you. Is there anybody who needs an AI computer? Any AI researchers in the audience? Every single student, every researcher, every scientist, every startup, every large established company, TSMC themselves does enormous amounts of AI and scientific research already. And so Foxconn does an enormous amount of work in robotics. I know that there are many other companies in the audience, I'm going to mention you in just a second, that are doing robotics research and AI research. And so having a world-class AI infrastructure here in Taiwan is really important. All of that is so that we could build a very large chip. And NVLink and Blackwell, this generation, made it possible for us to create these incredible systems. Here's one from Pegatron and QCT and Wistron and WeWin. This is from Foxconn and Gigabyte and ASUS. And you can see the front and the back of it. And its entire goal is to take these Blackwell chips that are, you can see how big they are, and turn it into one massive chip. Now, the ability to do that, of course, was made possible by NVLink. But it understates the complexity of the system architecture, the rich software ecosystem that connects it all together, the entire ecosystem of 150 companies that came together to build this. This architecture and the entire ecosystem in technology and software and industry has been the work of 3 years. This is a massive industrial investment. And now, we would like to make it possible for anybody who wants to build data centers. It could be a whole bunch of NVIDIA GB200s or 300s and accelerated computing systems from NVIDIA. It could be somebody else. And so today, we're announcing something very special. We're announcing NVIDIA NVLink Fusion. NVLink Fusion is so that you can build semi-custom AI infrastructure. Not just semi-custom chips, because those are the good old days. You want to build AI infrastructure. And everybody's AI infrastructure could be a little different. Some of you could have a lot more CPUs, and some of it could have a lot more NVIDIA GPUs, and some of it could be somebody's semi-custom ASICs. And those systems are so insanely hard to build. And they're all missing this one incredible ingredient. This incredible ingredient called NVLink. NVLink so that you could scale up these semi-custom systems and build really powerful computers. And so today we're announcing the NVLink Fusion. NVLink Fusion kind of works like this. This is the NVIDIA platform, 100% NVIDIA. You've got NVIDIA CPU, NVIDIA GPU, the NVLink switches, the networking from NVIDIA called Spectrum-X or InfiniBand, NICs, network interconnects, switches, and all of the entire system, the entire infrastructure built end-to-end. Now, of course, you can mix and match it if you like, and we now today make it possible for you to mix and match it even at the compute level. This would be what you would do using your custom ASIC. And we have great partners I'll announce in a second who are working with us to integrate your special TPU or your special ASIC, your special accelerator. And it doesn't have to be just a transformer accelerator, it could be an accelerator of any kind that you would like to integrate into a large scale-up system. We create an NVLink chiplet. It's basically a switch that abuts right up to your chip. There's IP that will be available to integrate into your semi-custom ASIC. And then once you do that, it fits right into the compute boards that I mentioned, and it fits into this ecosystem of an AI supercomputer that I've shown you. Now maybe what you would like is you would like to use your own CPU. You've been building your own CPU for some time, and maybe your CPU has built a very large ecosystem, and you would like to integrate NVIDIA into your ecosystem. And now we make it possible for you to do that. You could do that by building your custom CPU. We provide you with our NVLink chip-to-chip interface into your ASIC. We connect it with NVLink chiplets, and now it connects and directly abuts into the Blackwell chips and our next generation Rubin chips. And again, it fits right into this ecosystem. This incredible body of work now becomes flexible and open for everybody to integrate into. And so your AI infrastructure could have some NVIDIA, a lot of yours. A lot of yours, you know, and a lot of CPUs, a lot of ASICs, maybe a lot of NVIDIA GPUs as well. And so in any case, you have the benefit of using the NVLink infrastructure and the NVLink ecosystem, and it's connected perfectly to Spectrum X. And all of that, you know, is industrial strength and has the benefit of an enormous ecosystem of industrial partners who have already made it possible. So this is the NVLink Fusion. Whether you buy completely from us, that's fantastic. Nothing gives me more joy than when you buy everything from NVIDIA. I just want you guys to know that. But it gives me tremendous joy if you just buy something from NVIDIA.